Don't worry, it's not a plastic straw. I'm not getting canceled today. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another painting video because, you know, I like painting things and you guys like watching painting things, I guess. And you know the drill. We're painting something, we need the acrylic paints, the paintbrushes, the paint palette thing, you know, that's all you need. Basically at this point I pretty much am painting everything that's in sight. Next I'm going to be painting a hairbrush. And yes, I'm sitting in my bathroom too because this is the only place that has good lighting at this time of 3:49. But today we are painting a Starbucks cup. One of these things that are $3 at Starbucks. Anyway, I got this idea because first of all, I was like, I'm not painting another Hydro Flask. And then also, Christmas was coming up. This is what I did for my Christmas gifts to my friends, which was in one of my previous videos called Something About a Christmas Celebration, if you want to go watch that. Also, my nails are not painted because I did not want to paint my nails for this, so ignore my badly chipped holiday nails. Okay, so here we have all of my supplies. You know, my trusty acrylic paints that make an appearance in like every other video. Then the paintbrushes too. And the cup. This DIY, nobody cares about the lid, so we can set that to the side. Obviously, this being an artistic endeavor, we can paint whatever we want to on this cup, but I'm gonna paint slime drips on it because I think that's cool. But basically for this, you need 3 colors. So I'm using yellow, ultramarine blue, not marine blue, not super marine blue, not extra marine blue, ultramarine blue, and then just a black. So let's just get started. I'm not gonna really talk that much because my voice can be annoying, and obviously I know that when I'm editing. And I think this is just something that's easier to learn by watching rather than talking. So now I'm gonna do the exact same little squiggly thing but with yellow and then like at the base of here. Okay, so now with this all finished, you know, looks good, but you know, like that's a little bit boring. So we're gonna add a little bit of dimension to it with black paint. Basically, we're just gonna outline it. Now that everything's all traced, it's time to add the final touch, which is literally just like a line, but that's okay. Come on, focus, focus, focus. What's up? It's the next day. So here's this thing. I think it's mostly dry. And now the only thing we gotta do is use the Mod Podge, which is dishwasher safe. So basically, it just seals the paint on so you can hand wash this, because don't put this in the dishwasher, because you will be unhappy when it melts. And basically, I'm just gonna paint a layer or two of this onto here and then call it good. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna hold this for the rest of the video. Here we go. Here's your Starbucks cup. You win life. Good job for you. If you have any questions about this whole process or whatever you want to call it, comment that down below and I may be able to answer that. I don't really know because I don't have all the answers and I don't really know anything about art. So I can answer questions about coffee too down below in Starbucks. Anyway, thanks for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY thing. Another painting video that we all know those routines of all the painting videos. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment what I told you to comment earlier, comment literally anything you want. And cool, yeah. Bye.